In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a MOV file in DaVinci Resolve. If you're new to DaVinci Resolve, don't worry. Importing a video file is one of the most basic and important things to learn, and the process is very quick once you know where to look. In this guide, I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open DaVinci Resolve and make sure you're inside your project. Once you're ready, go to the top of the screen and click on File. This opens the main file menu where you'll find several options related to creating, opening and bringing media into your project. After clicking File, move your cursor down to Import. When you hover over Import, another menu will appear beside it. From that submenu, click on Media. This option is what allows you to browse your computer and choose the video file you want to bring into DaVinci Resolve. As soon as you click Media, a file browser window will open. From here, navigate to the folder where your MOV file is saved. Take a moment to locate the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions or clips with similar names. Once you find the MOV file you want to use, click on it to select it. After selecting the file, confirm the import in the file browser window. DaVinci Resolve will then bring the MOV file into your project. In most cases, the clip will appear in your media pool, where you can access it for editing, trimming, or adding it to your timeline, and that's all it takes. The entire process is simply going to File, hovering over Import, clicking Media, and then selecting your MOV file. It's a very straightforward workflow, but it's an essential one that you'll use often whenever you start a new edit or add footage to an existing project. As a quick tip, make sure the MOV file is fully saved and accessible on your computer before importing it. If the file has been moved, renamed, or stored on a disconnected drive, DaVinci Resolve may not be able to find it properly. Keeping your media organized in clearly labeled folders can also make this process faster and smoother. Once your file is imported, you're ready to move on with your editing. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly learn how to import a MOV file in DaVinci Resolve.